Quick video on how to withdraw Ethereum from Immutable X. And this was a highly requested topic in my previous video on how to use Immutable X and buy NFTs. If you have not seen that video, I will leave a link for it down below in the description. And by the way, for anyone that watched that video as soon as it was published, they had the opportunity to buy Astro Bros at 0.06 Ethereum. Currently, the floor price for Astro Bros is 0.35, 0.36. This is a 6x in only 2 days, and all you had to do was be subscribed to this channel and have the bell notification on so that you found out about this right away. Because in crypto, especially NFTs, it is very time sensitive. It is by the days, by the hours, even by the minutes. So I know there are people that were able to get them at 0.06. They messaged me, they made good money, and I want you to be that person as well. So make sure to subscribe. So once you have your wallet connected to Immutable X and you want to withdraw, you will select inventory. Then in inventory, you will select your Immutable X balance. Then right below, you will select Ethereum. Then you will enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You will select continue, and you will prepare withdrawal, go through the prompts, and you will notice it says gas fees will apply when finalizing withdrawal later. So when you transfer Ethereum into Immutable X, or Ethereum out of Immutable X, there will be a gas fee. So something to consider, rather than maybe sending constant small payments outside of Immutable X, maybe wait for one bigger payment to save on gas fees. And then after you do this, there still are a few more steps and you will have to wait. So after you select that, you will have a signature request that you will sign. Then you will get a message preparing withdrawal. The withdrawal ready option will soon appear in your Immutable X inventory. And unfortunately, Immutable X does state that when the preparation is finalized, a withdrawal ready prompt will appear, and this may take up to 24 hours. So it might take some time. Hopefully it's not up to 24 hours. Hopefully it's much quicker. And when that's ready, you go back to inventory and you will see in the upper right-hand corner, withdraw ready, then you can withdraw it off the platform. And another common question was, well, can you withdraw the NFTs? Not Ethereum, but the NFTs. At the moment, as I make this video in the beginning of October 2021, you cannot, but they do state on their site that NFT withdrawal will be coming very soon in a following release. And what's very funny about Immutable X is that it was supposed to be integrated into OpenSea many months ago. This is a tweet all the way back from March. Immutable X is coming to OpenSea. I guess it didn't happen. I'm not sure if there is a delay or maybe it's not happening at all. But Immutable X is definitely gaining some traction. And right now, been paying attention to the space, I am noticing that people are speaking about IMX punks. And there's a lot of hype around this project because this will be the Immutable X version of CryptoPunks. This is what every blockchain does. Cardano, Solana, basically any blockchain that has NFTs, they create their own version of CryptoPunks. And typically, these do well in the beginning. Who is to say whether they do well long term? But in the beginning, they do well. Why? Because people look at these new projects and they think this is the next CryptoPunks, which it probably is not. And then you also have the people that understand there are those that do think this will really be the punk. So a lot of hype builds up for these projects. So this is IMX punks, something that I will be paying attention to. Maybe it makes money, maybe it loses money. We'll have to wait and see. And also, to add to Immutable X, TikTok is going to launch their NFTs on Immutable X. And this is a big deal because we found out in September that TikTok surpassed YouTube in viewing time per user. So it is likely that if this goes well, we will see more users coming to Immutable X. Big opportunity for TikTok, big opportunity for Immutable X. I really hope that Immutable does not fumble the bag. Like the video, subscribe to the channel with the bell notification. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.